Hola clase, this video is about the verb gusta, which means to like. Technically in Spanish it means to be pleasing to, but in English we typically say to like. So far you've learned the phrase me gusta, which we talked about when we did things you like. Me sounds like me, so it literally means something is pleasing, gusta, to me. So we have me gusta for me. You have also done the phrase le gusta when we read the story about Roberto, things he likes to do. Also, if your class did the activity about writing about a friend, you'd use le gusta to write what your friend likes to do. So far, you've learned me gusta, I like, le gusta, he or she likes. We're also going to learn you like, we like, nos gusta, and les gusta, they like, from this video. So here are the translations for what each of those pronouns means. So this is something you're going to want to fill in on your note sheet. So me is when you're talking about me, te goes with you, le, him, her, or also you in this case. So hopefully you have those notes filled in. Also note that this pronoun always goes before the word gusta. So just like in English, when we say I like, we can't say like I if we're trying to use it like as a verb. So note that this is the order it's always going to go in. So you have your pronoun first, second you have gusta, like, and then third you have the activity or item that you like. So if we're trying to say I like to run, we can go back to our chart. Which one goes with to me? That would be me. Like is gusta. And the activity, that's when you have to pull out your vocab list. So to run is correr. So me gusta correr. I like to run. We like to rest. I can go back, look at the same chart. To us or we, nos. Then I'm going to have gusta next. And then rest on your vocab list is descansar. Sometimes you're going to want to add someone's name in, or I also put other title in these notes as well, since you might want to say something like the man, the woman, my friend. So before you put something like that in, you must put a before names. And this only happens in Spanish with the verb gusta and about 10 other verbs. 98% of the time you do not have to put an a before names in Spanish, but it is a rule that is specific to gusta. And then also this a plus name business is going to come before the pronoun. And you have to always have this pronoun. So what I mean to say is, even if you're putting someone's name, you always have to have this pronoun, you always have to have gusta, and you always have your activity. So if I want to say Maria likes to drink water, I'd have a Maria. So even though I have her name, then I would also put le. So it would be a Maria le gusta. Let's do some examples. So I have Carmen likes to play an instrument. Carmen is a common girl's name in Spanish. So I'm going to have to put a before her name since that's my rule with gusta. Then, even though I put her name, I still have to have this pronoun since that's what comes next in the formula. So for she, it's going to be le, gusta is likes. And to play an instrument, tocar un instrumento, or tocar la guitarra. My friend likes to buy ice cream. So my friend is going to be like a name in this case. Mi amigo is friend. Even though I already said the name, I still have to put le before Gusta. And to buy is comprar, ice cream. Think of gelato, helado. And that is everything you have to know with likes. Hasta luego.